This is how to differentiate between prerenal and renal azotemia. These are two types of kidney injury. In general, I like to think of prerenal azotemia as resulting from decreased renal perfusion. Now, the kidney's job in low perfusion dehydration states is to conserve sodium and water. So normally, a functioning kidney will retain sodium under the hypoperfusion conditions, and you'll have very, very low urinary sodium. On the other hand, renal azotemia is damage to the tubules themselves, like an acute tubular necrosis. In this case, you'll have impaired sodium reuptake in the setting of dehydration. So even though the body might be dehydrated, the kidney is unable to reabsorb sodium, and you'll have increased urine sodium. Let's take a look at this table. In prerenal azotemia, because you're so dehydrated, you're going to produce very concentrated urine, so your specific gravity and your osmolality will be high, whereas in renal azotemia, those numbers will be low because you're unable to concentrate your urine. The most helpful metric is probably the BUN to creatinine ratio for comparing these two. It'll be greater than 20:1 in prerenal, less than 20:1 in renal azotemia. Lastly is that sodium that we mentioned. In renal azotemia, you'll be unable to reabsorb your sodium, so you'll have high urine sodium and a high FENa, whereas in prerenal azotemia, those will be low.